Recording.
All right, y'all, this is part 2. I'm on Warwoman. I am leaving this little convenience store right now. It just had me an orange juice, an orange Fanta, and a snack cake. And now we're going to go for a ride. You all just don't know what a beautiful day this is. It is about 70 degrees right now. I don't know how far I'm going today. I really want to jump on 28 and take 28 all the way up to Deals Gap. That's my goal. I want to see how much of 28 has gotten paved. So if you're not from here, but you've been following, what's going on in this area. A couple weeks ago, they started paving North Carolina 28 from 143 headed to Fontana Village. So by the end of summer, that project should be done. And 28 is going to be a nice road again. Until Interstate 40 closes down and all the trucks decide to come back through and destroy the road. But it's probably been 15 years since 28 was last repaved. Hey, do me a favor if you're watching this, hit that thumbs up button. Share my videos with your buddies. Watch the whole video from the start to finish. It helps move my videos up the charts, so more people can watch them. I'd like to say it helps me get paid more, but yeah, my videos don't make a whole lot of money. I don't know how much a viral video makes these days. I'm just happy getting a few cents for a video. This dude's smoking on a cigar. You can smell it. It was nice of him to let me by. This this is where the road gets really good. We're out here on a Monday, as you should be too if you're coming to visit this area. If you ride up here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe a little bit on Thursday, you can get some good riding in. And I'm gonna put it out there, you probably, more than likely, you won't get bothered by law enforcement. But I'm gonna say Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, if you're out here running these roads, you might meet somebody new. Somebody might stop you who's interested in that, in what you're doing. So just give you a heads up. If you watch my other videos for TWO, Union County, Georgia has really cracked down, and where they should be cracking down on the sports cars, they're just attacking the motorcycles. So there's your warning from me. I think the sports car groups are way more dangerous than motorcycles. Usually the motorcycle groups, the sport bike groups are like 3 or 4 riders. I went to Home Depot last weekend and I got passed by 6 sports cars. The Lamborghini was cool, but the place he chose to pass me was probably not great. And let me tell you, just because you got money, it doesn't make you smart. Those 6 sports cars, they were, all 6 of them were idiots. There's no need to drive like that. They were passing in stuff like this. I was in my Mini Cooper. And I wasn't driving it slow. But they were passing, they were coming up on traffic and just clipping them off like the other cars were parked. My Mini Cooper is the only car I have that doesn't have a camera in it. This is awesome through here. The mountain laurel's in bloom right now. It's beautiful. I have some in the yard. It's beautiful, green with bright pink flowers on it. I was going to bring more into the yard, but I read somewhere that it's very poisonous, so I still might. The deer love it. The deer